Exams are just around the corner, and you're probably feeling that mix of excitement and anxiety. Don't worry, I've got your back. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the ultimate exam preparation strategy that top students use to score amazing marks. This isn't about magic, it's about studying smart. If you follow these steps for the next 30 to 60 days, you are going to see a massive improvement. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First things first, let's create a smart study plan. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't just say, I'll study math. Instead say, I will solve 20 problems from the chapter on algebra between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. today. See the difference? Your plan needs to be crystal clear. List all your subjects and the chapters you need to cover. Then, allocate specific time slots for each topic in your daily schedule. This isn't about studying 12 hours a day. A realistic plan you can stick to is far better than an ambitious one you give up on after 2 days. Forget studying for hours on end without a break. That's a recipe for burnout. I want you to use the 50 to 10 study technique. Your phone is on silent and out of sight. No social media, no YouTube videos, just you and your books. So, we have a plan and a technique. The secret isn't studying hard. It's studying smart with active learning methods. Simply reading your textbook over and over is one of the least effective ways to learn. Your brain gets bored and stops absorbing information. Instead, you need to engage with the material actively. Here are 5 active study methods that top students swear by. First, teach the topic aloud. After you study something, stand up and pretend you're explaining it to someone else, maybe to an empty chair or a rubber duck. This forces you to organize your thoughts and identify gaps in your understanding. If you can't explain it simply, you haven't understood it well enough. After studying a chapter, take a blank piece of paper and write down all the important formulas and derivations from memory. This transfers the information from your short-term to your long-term memory. Third, and this is a big one, solve previous year's questions. This is non-negotiable. Solving past papers gives you the best insight into the exam pattern, important topics, and the kind of questions you can expect. It's like having a cheat sheet for what the examiner thinks is important. Fourth, make short notes. While you study a chapter, create concise, one-page summary notes for it. Use diagrams, flowcharts, and mnemonics. These short notes will be your treasure during the final days of revision. Instead of flipping through a 300-page textbook, you can revise an entire subject in just a few hours using these notes. Finally, revise using flashcards. For facts, definitions, and vocabulary, flashcards are incredibly effective. Write a question or term on one side and the answer on the other. Quizzing yourself with these cards is a powerful form of active recall that cements information in your brain. Once you've covered the syllabus, it's time to shift gears to mock tests and revision. You must solve full-length mock tests under real exam conditions. I mean it, set a timer, put your phone away, and sit for 3 hours straight. This builds your stamina and teaches you time management. After each test, spend even more time analyzing your mistakes. Why did you get a question wrong? Was it a silly calculation error, a concept you didn't know, or did you run out of time? This analysis is where the real learning happens. Your revision strategy is what will make or break your final score. Remember those short notes and flashcards? Now is their time to shine. Your first revision might take some time, but each subsequent revision will get faster. The goal is to revise your entire syllabus at least 3 to 4 times before the exam. This frequent repetition ensures that the information is at your fingertips when you're in the exam hall. Now, let's talk about something equally important: taking care of your mind and body. You can have the best study plan in the world, but if you're exhausted and stressed, you won't be able to perform. Make sure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Sleep is when your brain consolidates memories and learns. Eat healthy, balanced meals and stay hydrated. Don't skip meals or survive on junk food. And please, get some physical activity. This is non-negotiable. The constant pings and notifications are destroying your ability to concentrate deeply. You need to create a distraction-free fortress for your study sessions. The world can wait for 50 minutes. Finally, let's talk about the exam day itself. Then, begin with the questions you find easiest. This builds confidence and momentum. The students who top their exams are not necessarily super intelligent geniuses. They are consistent. Consistency is more important than intensity. Even 3 to 4 hours of focused, smart studying every day can lead to excellent results. Believe in yourself and the process. You have what it takes to succeed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos to help you ace your exams. Now go out there and make it happen. All the best.